Hello, my name is Brad Bishaw. Some of you have seen a few of the gadgets that I've made before. I wanted to make this video regarding my remote lighting system. I specifically made this for use on my own DJI Inspire. I had been looking for accessory lighting that would do justice to that wonderful craft and was left wanting. Not only were they static in nature, but you could only switch them from the ground. You know, the Inspire has a closed transmitter system, and adding on additional controls was difficult at best. This particular system is based upon the ESP8266 chip, which I have running in both a station and a access point mode, so that you can speak peer-to-peer directly to your light via a web browser. There's no app required, just the security of the Wi-Fi, which is secure on this one. And I have some very advanced features in here because of the programming facilitated by the chip. So let's get right into it. I will show you some of the lighting effects right now. You'll see the screen, hopefully network configuration I have, lighting system, message system, and power off, not to be confused with shutting the light off. It actually shuts the power of the system off. First, into the lights. I'm not sure how well this is going to show up on any particular screen, but we'll give it a shot. Blue lighting, hopefully that's showing up. Green, red, yellow, white. These are assorted lights. Burst starts in the center, bursts out towards the edges with various digital lights. Scroll, which pretty much remains lit all the time but scrolls through various palette of colors. Cyclone, which is a nice effect of a colored band running up and down the height of the light. A flash, which is very dramatic, enormously visible even in the bright sunshine from far away. Strobe, a lovely night effect where the glowing grows. And a count gives you a nice countdown to any other various effect that you'd like to pick. Everything is very responsive other than the count by design. That's meant to count down to something you want to do later. So whatever you press afterwards will happen once the count is finished. You can also do messaging from the system. Jesus, I'm going to have to type this with my left hand. Alright, I'll just say hello and choose a color, and you can send messages as well as change the color and effect of the message while it's operating. Various lighting conditions are served by different colors. Once again, I'll turn that one off, and everything's very responsive. Moment you press something, it happens. Hopefully those lighting effects came through. I can show you on a little pop-up. This is all developed on a Arduino based compiler using some libraries from there, and many that I've written myself to minimize the payload of communication, thus increasing the range associated with operation of the system. Now, in regard to that, in payload and range, under the network configuration, I'm currently running through my local Wi-Fi just so that I can record this screen while I'm talking to you. Normally, you just run in a peer-to-peer mode through the station associated with the Ergo ESP system. But one important feature on this screen is the channel. This took me some time. As I was field testing, a friend of mine flew quite near my system for filming, and it became unresponsive, and it turned out that my channel was colliding with his. So I had to make the channel associated with the Wi-Fi of the system selectable, and thus here's where you find it. I have 1 through 13 available for United States and Europe. Those for you in the know, however, realize that there's only 3 really unique channels within that 2.4 gigahertz, which is 1, 6, and 11, whose spectrum does not share any signal from neighboring channels. Those are the unique ones to use for the best range. It will operate, no matter which one you choose, automatically reboot the system and allow you direct access to it. Next, a thing that delayed me a little bit was figuring out how to power on and off the system. It's quite compact, very lightweight, snaps together. I didn't want to have to wire in a power button and all the minute conditioning components associated with it. So we have soft power on this system. You hit the power off, you can see the screen. This will power down the system, it will power down the web server, it will power down the lights, it'll power down the antenna, everything associated with the system. And then, you know, it's all charged up, you power it down, you go on vacation or on your flight, and you follow the instructions, you press this little button on the back of the system twice, and you're ready to go. It's live, you can log to it. Regardless, wherever you are, you could be on the North Pole, this provides internet, allows you to log to it and control the lights in a very responsive, interesting manner. Very bright, very nice, and you can control it from the ground. You don't have to fly your very well lit Inspire right back to you in the middle of the night, so everybody knows where you are, if that's the case. Once again, if you have any questions or comments, let me know. If you're interested in the system, I'm now making them available for sale. And have a good day, safe flying. Talk to you soon.